Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do a quick little craft with me. This is gonna be like the most simplest, easiest little video ever. But I wanted to play with this pom-pom trim that I got from Temu. And I'm so sad, guys, that I only grabbed one of these. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm not sure if it's just a yard, but I will leave it listed down below. And you can get this in solid color as well, but I wanted this multicolored one because I thought it would be perfect for spring and perfect with my digitals. So I've been working on this card, and I use a stamp on the background that I'll have listed down below along with my coupon code so you can save. And then with Temu, guys, I'll have this listed down below, and I'll also have information. If you're new to Temu, you download the app, you get tons of free stuff and discounts and all that good stuff. So all that information will be listed down below. And so I created this card, and this is my digital here. If you're interested in purchasing my digital, I'll have the information listed down below, what comes with, the price, and then where you can contact me to purchase it. But I made this card, guys, and I just thought that it was so simple and plain, and it was missing something. And then I said, let me add some trim. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue it down. I love how this trim has like just about all the colors. So let's see, how am I gonna do this? Let's go with the hot glue. And then I'm gonna take my time. I don't know, I just felt like this card was too simple and it was missing something. And I just thought that I love adding texture to my project. You guys already know this about me. Here, let's do a little turn right there. And then we'll continue. So let me know what you guys think about this trim and this card. I've got to get more of this. If you order this, guys, don't be smart. Don't do what I did and only get one. You're going to need like at least 3 packs to start with. So I definitely will be placing another order and getting more. I'm going to go ahead and clip it here. And I just have this little piece. So you'll be seeing more of this card in another video, but since I was using this Temu trim, I thought I'd come on and share with you all how I'm going to use it. So not only can you use it for, your regular paper crafting, you can add it to your cards for some texture. Isn't that pretty, guys? I think that definitely leveled it up a little bit. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me if it looks done. Or should I add little tiny diamond dots? I kind of want to add little tiny diamond dots. I think that would be pretty. Or nouveau drops. But let me know what you guys think down below. And this trim will be listed along with all the other links. All right, guys? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And then I have to put something here. Stamp something here. And I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.